All right, a quick update on MYRO here. So hopefully you guys are paying attention here because the market, I don't think it's done selling off yet. Just the reason I say that is because if you looked and watched the Bitcoin update I did yesterday or the day before, whenever it was, we did look and it still may come down to about 48K if I remember correctly. So there still may be some more downside this week. And maybe this week, I think this week the bottom's going to be put in. We're going to have a huge recovery, relief rally, and we may never come back down to these prices. So, you guys that watch the channel here, hopefully, this is not financial advice, by the way, but hopefully, you guys pay attention to these levels that we point out on everything to where these prices are coming down. And you're looking at these different steps down as buying opportunities on whatever you're looking at. So, if you're bullish on MYRO here, these are not the times to be selling. These are the times to be adding to your position because at any moment it is crypto. It could be the bottom and you could get a huge recovery and a move up because we've seen this time and time again to where things just come down, for weeks and months on end. And then in the matter of, a couple of days to a week, they recovered all of that loss, in a short period of time. So that will happen at some point. The bottom will get put in. So like I said, so we're going to get into MYRO here. You can see MYRO is sitting on a support level here, which this one here is not based on any Fibonacci's. The green one here at 10.8 is the low to the high 382. We fell below it. We are sitting on this support at 8.8. So any lower than 8.8, you're at 8.86 at the moment. Then this green support line I drew on the chart, which just is the support here where we're at now. And if we look back in time, we have a candle sitting on it here, resistance, resistance. So it is a area to keep in mind here at about 8.8, maybe 8.7. So any lower than this, then it is going to send the price of MYRO down to the 1618 and the low to the high 0.5 down here. So if you fall lower than 8.8, look to drop another 24% down to 6.7 here. So that would be a good place to buy in also there. And as I always have to say, this is not financial advice. If you want to sell, you got to do what's best for you. But I would not be selling right now. You could potentially sell the bottom and then this thing's going to just blast out of here in a sense and not going to the moon, but it will have a nice recovery. Now, with that being said, how high can MYRO go this cycle? Maybe sometime in 2025, whatever it's going to be. I do not know. I do not have a crystal ball, of course. We do have the target here at the top of the fib at 127, a $1.2 billion market cap, and about a 14.5x on your investment from today, which I already mentioned. It could come lower, especially due to the fact that we covered Bitcoin the other day, and Bitcoin still has a chance of coming down to 48K, in my opinion. So MYRO here, if you think this thing can hit the multi-billion dollar market cap up here to about 3 billion, that's going to give you the price of about 324 and about a 36.5x on your investment from today. So what are your thoughts? Comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.